What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to use clones in Scratch. So yeah, let's take the create clone of myself block and press on it. Now we have one clone. And guys, this is not the clone. This one is the clone. And if we do again, create clone of myself, this is the original sprite, this is the clone. So we have one sprite, two clones, but we want that the sprite hides. Okay, but if we then click on create clone myself, my clone counter says 3 clones, but it's not there. And if we click on show, this is not the clone. So how can we do that? So when green flag clicked, hide. So we don't want to see the original sprite. And when I start as a clone, show. So if we click on create clone myself, first click on the green flag, then click on create clone myself, and here we have one clone, and there's another one, and yeah, we can make very many clones. But there is in Scratch there's a 300 clone limit. So if we do beats 1,000 create clone myself, look, it goes up. I have a better idea. Let's just make a block. Call this create clones. Guys, you don't have to do this. I'm just gonna do this to speed it up a little bit. Okay. And look, it's 300, but we wanted 1,000 clones. Why did that work? Because Scratch has a 300 clone limit. Yeah. So what can we do with clones? So we can use a pen tool and then use the stamp, like stamp. Wait, let's just erase all. Stamp. Yeah, we have a copy of cat. I don't know why it's like this, but whatever. Okay, whatever. But if we put in here, say hello for 2 seconds, and click on stamp, it does not do it. But you can stamp a sprite so much as so. Yeah. Yeah, if you stamp a sprite, there's no 300 limit of 300 clones or something. So if you don't have when I start as a clone block, then just use the stamp in the pen extension. But today we're gonna learn how to use clone. So if we now do create clone myself, it says hello for 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. So what can we do more? So let's make okay, let's just don't do that. Yeah, can put whatever you want in here, and there's another block called delete this clone. So it says hello for 2 seconds, and after that it deletes itself. And let's say put an if touching mouse pointer. Let's move 10 steps. Okay, boom. Why didn't it move 10 steps? But wait 1 second. And here, yeah, it works. So we do not touch it. Yeah. So you can just use like, don't put every sprite, just make it in one sprite. So let's make it's called the sprite buttons. Make a button, another button, this, okay, and then another sprite called upgrade. So when I mean with putting everything in one sprite, I mean putting the upgrades costumes in here. Yeah, I mean that. So that was it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.